Welcome to another episode of Not for the Weak-Minded. Now, this is part 2 of the globe Earth model being exposed using the coordinate system of the globe Earth model to literally show you how this fits into the perfect circle and how everything works around us based upon this fact that they've used the perfect circle to map the Earth. Sacred geometry. I find it baffling how people can not understand this. That the perfect circle, i.e. what you see now is the perfect circle, the globe Earth model, is not a spheroid oblate, is it? And so they've used the perfect circle to map the Earth, which is how everything works. But they're lying to you by the fact that this model is not truth, because it is not sitting in a void of space that is spinning at ridiculous speeds, with the Earth spinning, with that spinning, everything else spinning. Do you see what I'm saying? They've got your head spinning because literally the Earth's stationary. Logic, right, proves it. Now, inertia, what is that? How many of you have been on a ride where it's spinning, but also like the waltzers, but also spinning? Does gravity at any point save you from being sick or feeling the effects of the of you being in that object spinning? No, it don't. You feel every bit of it. So why can't we feel the Earth spinning? It isn't gravity, right? Because if it was, then you wouldn't feel the things that you felt while spinning slowly on something that's simulating something spinning. Do you get it? That the Earth is stationary. Literally, the last 3 posts ago proves it without a shadow of a doubt that even space itself, which is water, and the things out there have intelligent design and are intrinsically connected to what is here on the Earth. As above, so below. That means that space is based on the perfect circle too, i.e. it is not forever expanding. Logic, right? So the globe Earth model uses the perfect circle, and now you've got to imagine the Earth inside this, the dome. There is a second light source on a timer. Could it be at the center, which could be actually the sun in terms of what they're trying to represent it within this model? So it baffles my mind, but I'm going to show you now the next stage. So part 2, here we go, same place, but you start to see, if you zoom in, this is what it looks like. And so what I did, same principle, I just went along the line and I mapped each point. So what's that one? Let me zoom in, sorry. 2650 by 6050. And again, went over here. 26. Probably said about 25. Don't matter, it's about there. Remember I zoomed in more, so it is probably further out a little bit. By 60. And there you go, 60's there. There. So I'm saying, so that's that point. So that's essentially all I've done, is I've took their grid reference system and I've remapped it into the circle, or in this case I've done it in quarters so that it can be bigger, and found that, you know, look, this thing, and that there is harbours there, literally straight perfect harbours, and I found culture here, and I have found culture here, under the water, right, or the ice, which I have to even debate now even further, because the things I could show you, albeit there is deserts out there that are cold, you know, one of the most coldest places are probably deserts, so it isn't surprising that I found desert, let's call it, or sand, covering these objects in a place where, you know, right there. So, till next time. That was just literally a small video to show you again how I've done it. You know, each of these things is an individual video to show you each time, you know, where it is, what it looks like, going through, you know, the 3-dimensional views, the 2-dimensional views, go and taking, you know, other images from Sentinel and, you know, other mapping type of technologies which I've got on my computer. I mean, the choices are endless. I mean, I am actually got a lidar company, and I'm hoping that people will, well, I'm hoping to get some finance, to be honest, so I can actually buy a lidar drone and actually go and prove my map and the things I've already discovered in Britain. That proof that they've lied to us about ancient history, the time of the giants is real, that this place was created with intelligent design, and that you've been lied to about, wow, this, the globe, which is actually the perfect circle, according to, you know, the equator, which is called the perfect circle. Like I said, I've got so many things to show you, but it's going to take time. Just one last thing. Notice how, even on top, I've not drawn it in yet, but I will. You see this culture here, right on top of this. So that would be right there, in the middle. More culture, more evidence of people being here in the past, and to be honest, the scale is unimaginable. It's similar today. So please share, like and subscribe.